What if the only thing stopping you from building muscle was the lie that you need a gym? For years, you've been told you need machines, weights, and complicated programs just to get strong. But the truth is, your body already has everything it needs. You just have to train it the right way. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 7 powerful bodyweight exercises that can transform your strength and physique in just 3 weeks. No equipment, no excuses. Make sure you watch until the end because the final move is one almost nobody uses, yet it's one of the fastest ways to unlock real, functional strength. If you're serious about training smarter, not harder, hit like, top subscribe, and let's get into it. Exercise 1. Superman Hold. We start with the Superman Hold. It looks easy, but it lights up your entire posterior chain. When you lift your arms, chest, and legs, you activate your spinal erectors, glutes, and shoulders all at once. This full-body isometric builds strength, protects your back, and improves posture, so you stand taller and stronger. How to do it? Lie face down, arms and legs extended. Lift everything off the floor without straining your neck. Hold 30 to 60 seconds and squeeze hard. And remember, the final exercise later is the real secret weapon. Exercise 2. Chair dips. Next up, chair dips. This simple move turns an everyday chair into a serious triceps builder. Chair dips hit your triceps, chest, and shoulders while your core stabilizes your body. Slow, controlled reps create serious tension, and tension builds muscle. How to do it? Hands on the edge of a chair, fingers forward. Slide off, lower to about 90 degrees, then press back up. Keep shoulders down and back. Exercise 3. Push-ups. Now for the classic, push-ups. When done right, push-ups are a full-body exercise. Chest, triceps, shoulders, core, even glutes, all working together. The key is time under tension. Control the lowering. Drive up with power. Want a bigger chest? Push-ups. Stronger arms? Push-ups. Better core? Push-ups. How to do it? Hands shoulder-width apart, body straight. Lower until your chest is just above the floor, then press up. No sagging hips. Exercise 4. Squats. Upper body's working, but legs matter too. Squats are the king of lower body movements. Bodyweight squats strengthen your quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and core all at once. They also improve mobility and joint health. How to do it? Feet shoulder-width apart, chest up. Sit back, hit parallel or deeper, then drive through your heels. Knees track over toes. Squats aren't leg day, they're everything day. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Next, mountain climbers. This move combines strength and conditioning. You're holding a plank, so your upper body and core work non-stop, while your legs move fast. It burns calories, builds endurance, and strengthens your abs. How to do it? High plank. Drive knees toward your chest. Switch fast. Keep hips low and core tight. Exercise 6. Lunges. Lunges train one leg at a time, forcing each side to pull its weight. They build strong glutes, quads, and hamstrings while improving balance and coordination. Slow, controlled lunges are incredibly effective for muscle growth. How to do it? Step forward, lower both knees to 90 degrees, push through the front heel, and switch legs. Exercise 7. Floor towel pull-ups. Secret move. Now for the sleeper move, floor towel pull-ups. This trains your upper back, rear delts, and biceps without a bar. By pulling a towel toward your chest, you mimic the mechanics of a pull-up. It builds strength, improves posture, and balances all the pushing work. How to do it? Lie face down, arms extended holding a towel. Pull it toward your chest and lift slightly, squeezing your shoulder blades hard. Workout plan, fast. Here's the plan. Train 4 days a week. Do 3 rounds of this circuit. Superman hold, 45 seconds. Chair dips, 12 to 15 reps. Push-ups, 12 to 20 reps. Squats, 20 to 30 reps. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Lunges, 10 to 12 reps per leg. Floor towel pull-ups, 10 to 15 reps. Rest 30 seconds between exercises and 2 to 3 minutes between rounds. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. You don't need a gym to build muscle, just the right movements done consistently. Start this routine, give it 3 weeks, and let your body prove it to you. If you want to keep building from here, click the video on screen. It takes this to the next level. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay consistent.